Here we have a Mitsubishi Ecodan package unit. We have the indoor unit, which contains the hot water cylinder and all the pumps and flow switches, etc. Down here, this is the primary pump, which circulates from indoor to outdoor, and it will go to the heating and it'll also go to the hot water. The strainers directly above it will catch anything, any dirts, particulars that need to be cleaned. It's one of the service items annually that needs to be checked. Here we have directly above it is our flow meter, which records our flow liters per minute. On this particular unit, we have an internal immersion only on the tank. So if we have a fault for any particular reason, we can use the backup immersion to heat the hot water. Over here to the right is the plate heat exchanger. So we do not have an internal coil in the tank. Everything is fed through a plate heat exchanger. So on the far right, we have our bronze pump, which circulates the fresh water through the tank, back down into the plate heat exchanger, where it's reheated by the heat pump on this side, and it continues to circulate until it's up to temperature. The hot water sensors are governed here. This is the lower sensor and this is the upper sensor. When we looked at our hot water settings for large and normal, large means that the hot water is being based off this lower sensor. Standard or normal means that it's going off the upper sensor.